today I'm going to really quickly talk you through how to make buttermilk dressing, which is a yum, low carb, high fat, keto friendly dressing to enjoy with salad. So let's get straight on, and we're going to combine together our buttermilk, sour cream, mayo, and make our dressing. Grab yourself a bowl, and into that we're going to pop half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayo, and then finally half a cup of our buttermilk. And now seasoning, flavoring, you can really have whatever you want. I'm going to add a couple of shakes of salt. You can add some pepper too, and I'm actually going to grate a garlic clove as well on, because I love garlic with everything, and a bit of a garlicky creamy dressing for me, that's perfection. So just grate your garlic clove, and then grab yourself a wire whisk and whisk all of the ingredients together. So just whisk it up until it's nice and smooth like that. Can you see? Oh, it smells so good. It's garlicky and so creamy from the mixture of buttermilk and sour cream and mayo, and you can enjoy it with some spinach or on top of your favorite keto salad, or even as a sauce with some meat too. But that is the quick and easy recipe today for buttermilk dressing. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you've made the recipe, any adaptations that you have. I look forward to reading your comments. And also remember to check down below. I'll leave a link to the blog post with the recipe that you can pin and bookmark to make when you're ready for buttermilk dressing. So we'll see you again soon. Bye.